course, the finals for the 100 meters will be completed this evening as well for both juniors and seniors. So here we go, the lane assignments for semi-final one of the under-18 girls 100 meters. Unica Smith of Rosie's High listed for lane 2. Zaya Tobias of Very Technical in 3. Malia Duncan will be in 4. Azaria Harris listed for 5. Natalia Moore in 6. Rihanna Laws will be in 7. And Tatiana Thompson should have been in 8, but so I understand that Tatiana Thompson will not be there. Of course, young Azaria Harris did so very well at Boys and Girls Championships this year. Third, Class 3 100 meters, and went on to also do well in the 200 meters. Anchored Alpha to victory in the Class 3 4x1s as well. So here looking to make Jamaica's team.
Don't forget the 80-meter hurdles, Jermaine. She's joint record holder for that in the Class 3 Girls at Champs.
Indeed. Multi-talented.
One to watch for this heat for sure. 11.67, her best this season.
That's young Smith from Rosie's on screen, number 458, all the way from the school that Merlene Otti used to attend. And then lane number 3, young Tobias from Vertec, another school that Merlene Otti used to attend.
This now is Malia Duncan, running unattached.
Running unattached, but 11.75, her personal best.
Spoke of her earlier. A very talented Azaria Harris, representing Alpha.
She can run, she can hurdle, some think she can even jump. Favorite for this heat.
Rihanna Laws, Natalia Moore of Penwood High.
Penwood building their program again. Natalia, big part of that Penwood development.
And completing the field. Rihanna Laws, there she is, in lane 7, presenting Holy Childhood.
On your marks.
Center their blocks. Semi-final one of the on the 18 girls 100 meters. The center of the field, Azaria Harris. Expect Duncan to go with her as well. Set position. And sent off. Duncan out quickly. Takes the lead. Here comes Harris now. But it's Duncan who is moving away from the field. Harris goes with her. Top 2 advance automatically. Duncan gets it ahead of Harris. And Tobias of Veer Technical comes through for 3rd. But Malia Duncan led from start to finish.
There may be a new personal best for Malia Duncan. What do you say, Danielle? I know you've been tracking that.
Not a personal best, but a sub 12 performance, yeah. 11.96.
Right, into a negative win, negative 0.7. She's certainly pleased by it. Look really focused at this stage. Got a much better start than Azaria Harris, who we had favored in lane 5 from Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy. And at this stage, we thought, yeah, man, Azaria in lane 5 in the blue and gold of Convent of Mercy would get back there. But Malia Duncan, unattached, all black, getting across the finish line, sub 12, 11.96 is the actual official time.
And that's the other thing about these championships. You don't know what form these athletes are coming into the championship with. Spectacular champs, but so much time in between champs and trials.
Yeah, so Duncan 11.96, Harris 12.19, and Tobias taking 3rd there 12.58. She'll wait to see if she advances in the next 2 best times. Semi-final 2 about to come up next. The under 18 girls 100 meters. Shahira Thorpe listed for 2. Adora Campbell in 3. Trisha Lee Sutherland will be in 4. Taniqua Moulton in 5. Shade Allen in 6. Ashona Marshall listed for 7. And Tonian Foster will run from lane 8. Let's see.
So Adora Campbell, the young lady from San Diego, is not there.
And she would have been one of the
big favorites. Another hurdler, another sprint hurdler, Danielle.
So lanes 3 and 7 will be absent. Ashana Marshall and Campbell. So this on screen is Shahira Thorpe of Penwood. Beside her from Clarendon College, Trisha Lee Sutherland, finalist over 100 meters in Class 3. Beside her, this is Taniqua Moulton of Clarendon College, her teammate. Sade Allen of Home Technical lines up in 6. And out in lane 8 is Tony and Foster. It's Taniqua Moulton, 6th in the Class 3 100 meters, champs this year. With no Adora Campbell.
On your marks.
Well, feel she has the measure of this field, but the race has to be run. So let's see what will be thrown up as they head to their blocks. Thorpe of Penwood in 2, Sutherland of Clarendon College in 4, her teammate Moulton in 5, Allen of Homewood Tech in 6, and Foster of Holy Childhood in lane 8. Set position and sent off a clean break. Moulton up early. Also Allen of Homewood Technical. Sutherland presses. It's Sutherland leading from Moulton. The two Clarendon College athletes, they come across the line and Sutherland gets it ahead of Moulton. They take the top 2 spots and secure their place in this evening's final. And Allen of Homewood Technical was right there, but she'll have to wait to see if she advances.
Well, as close a race as you can get when you have 5 athletes in there. The top 3, stride for stride, the entire race. The teammates, they train together every single day. They know what would happen here. But Sade Allen in lane 6 from Homewood Tech, just off the pace. They lean. And what we'll share with you viewers is the top 2 girls from Clarendon College, are already into that final. That will be later this evening. But at 12.33, did I get that right, Danielle? 12.33,
yes.
A third, into a negative 1.8 wind. It appears to me that Allen is well positioned to qualify.
Here we go. Sutherland 12.25, Moulton 12.29, Allen 12.33, Thorpe and Foster running out the field. The third semi-final is up next, and let's see who has reported for this one. We'll give you the lane assignments shortly.